Have you ever wondered what it truly takes to achieve financial freedom? Not just dreaming about it, but actually building it, step by step, from where you are right now. Let's explore how anyone, starting from scratch, can create a future of stability, choice, and independence. Financial freedom is more than just an idea. It is a goal within reach for anyone willing to plan and commit. Imagine waking up without the constant stress of bills, loans, or monthly paychecks. That peace of mind is what financial freedom provides, and I believe everyone should experience it. This journey isn't only about accumulating money. It's about designing a life that reflects your priorities. It means having the freedom to explore your interests, travel, or spend time with the people who matter most. But before reaching that stage, you need clarity, a strategy that connects your income, spending, and long-term vision. So ask yourself this: what does financial freedom look like to you? Is it becoming debt-free, saving a specific amount, or growing multiple income streams? Whatever it means, the first step is understanding your why, because that motivation keeps you consistent when things get tough. We often assume that wealth is tied to a high salary or inheritance, but that's far from the truth. Many financially independent people started small. Through smart planning and patience, they made their money work for them. Meanwhile, some high earners remain stuck in financial stress because of poor money habits. The truth is, your mindset shapes your financial success more than your paycheck. Building wealth starts with discipline, goal setting, and awareness. Every purchase, every decision, and every saved dollar moves you closer to financial control. One major barrier is the lack of financial education. Most of us never learned about budgeting, credit, or investing in school. This leads to avoidable mistakes that delay progress. But the good news? It's never too late to start learning and applying simple principles that make a huge difference. Another misconception is that investing is reserved for the wealthy. In reality, anyone can invest, no matter how small the amount. The key is consistency. Even small, regular contributions to your savings or investment account can grow substantially over time. Start small. Create a monthly budget, pay off high-interest debts, and build an emergency fund. These may seem basic, but they form the foundation of financial security. Every small win adds up and strengthens your confidence to take bigger steps. Budgeting is your financial compass. It helps you see where your money is going and gives you control over how to allocate it. When you manage your expenses intentionally, you can free up resources to invest in your future, rather than just maintaining your present. Investing is where your money begins to grow for you. Whether it's through stocks, real estate, or retirement funds, the goal is to make your money work harder than you do. The earlier you start, the more time compound growth has to amplify your returns. To truly accelerate your journey, consider building multiple income streams. Relying on one source of income limits your potential. Side hustles, freelancing, or dividend income can help diversify your earnings and create financial stability even in uncertain times. Passive income takes things one step further. It's about creating systems that generate money with minimal ongoing effort, like rental income, online courses, or affiliate marketing. Once built, these can provide long-term freedom and flexibility. One powerful concept to understand is compound interest, the idea that your money can earn interest, and that interest can then earn even more. This is how wealth grows exponentially over time. But it only works when you start early and stay consistent. Now let's talk about mindset. Financial growth is as much mental as it is practical. You need patience to stay invested, discipline to stick to your budget, and confidence to make long-term choices. The right mindset keeps you grounded during market ups and downs. Focus on needs, not wants. Learn to separate what's essential from what's temporary. Reducing unnecessary spending doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means aligning your money with your priorities and future goals. Be mindful of lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, it's tempting to spend more. Instead, Channel those extra earnings into investments or savings. The more you grow your assets rather than your expenses, the closer you get to freedom. Also, remember the importance of setting realistic milestones. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. Celebrate small wins, paying off a credit card, hitting a savings goal, or starting an investment account. These achievements keep you motivated for the bigger picture. As we wrap up, let's reflect on what we've covered. Understanding financial freedom, breaking myths about wealth, building better habits, and embracing the power of compound growth. Each of these steps brings you closer to a life of independence and choice. Financial freedom isn't a finish line. It's a journey of learning, adjusting, and growing. The earlier you start, the sooner you'll experience its rewards. So take action today and begin shaping your financial future with intention and purpose. Tell me in the comments, what's one financial goal you're committing to right now? And if you found this helpful, check out my other videos for more practical tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom.